I know, right?
That's illegal.
I know it is.
And he's going to get around that guy. Look, neither of them are confident on the roof. I'd quite like to see one of them die because I don't mind a bit of death, but...
There's a third one coming up.
They're going to install it there on the white shelf. I don't know if the crane can transport it. Bottom right hand side on a flatbed.
No, there isn't one. I can see it with my naked eye. This thing with my zoom is able to zero in. I don't know who the fuck these people are, but for less than $30 an hour, I'd be telling people don't get fucked.
Neither of them are roof comfortable.
I don't fucking blame them.